How to find gender you're interested in settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender you are interested in settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here profile information, and here you will find your birthday. Click this pin and go down, here you will find it, and you can manage here anything you want, and then just click save. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.